Parts of Bulacan are still underwater on the heels of Typhoon Lando. Rex Remitio gives us the latest from the province.
The flood water level here in Hagonoy, Bulacan is still high. As you can see, from where I am standing right now is at the same level with the Pampanga River. Residents said flood water started going up since Wednesday. Residents struggled to cope with the situation. Long lines of vehicles were stranded due to ways to chest deep floods. This truck was supposed to deliver ready-to-cook meat but backed out when he saw the current flood water level.
Hindi po makapag-deliver. Hindi rin sila makapagbenta.
In other areas in Hagonoy, Aniseta Reyes, a vegetable and fruit dealer, faces the same problem. She couldn't go to the market to sell. She worries her goods might just turn into waste.
Yung iba po, yung kagaya ng saging, siyempre luma na yan bukas, ma-over na yun.
Flood water also affected residents' houses. Many opt to stay on elevated areas for safety. Lina Santiago has been living in Hagonoy for 60 years. She was born here. Santiago says access to supplies like food is a major problem every time a typhoon hits the area.
Walang sa mga pagkain, maraming pangangailangan pagka bumabaha.
Some residents who have nowhere else to go evacuated at the nearest school.
Wala pang tutulugin, wala pang second floor.
But the San Pedro National High School is also in danger. The school sits near the raging Pampanga River, but some took the best out of the worst.
Nakakita ko, tinatakay ng agos ngayon. Pinunta ko kagad siya para dakmain. Kasi wala siya, makakita siya sa karsada.
For Mario, this is a temporary solution to the growing problem of access and distribution of supplies. Officials warn residents to stay alert until floodwaters subside. Rex Remitio, CNN, Philippines.